The Ministry of Tourism recognizes the value of technology and its potential to revolutionize the lives of every Jamaican.
Now we are going to use technology as a driving force to develop a capacity to manage, measure, and be in total command of our market.
The ministry and its agencies will further raise awareness about the importance of digital technologies in tourism during this year's annual celebration of Tourism Awareness Week. The week-long celebration started on Sunday and will continue through to the 30th under the theme Tourism and the Digital Transformation. Jamaica's Tourism Awareness Week commemoration is an extension of the United Nations World Tourism Organization's observation of World Tourism Day on September 27. The ministry also borrowed the organization's theme for the week's observation. The series of activities will focus on how to utilize technology to improve entrepreneurship for small and medium-sized tourism enterprises, how to create greater inclusion in the industry, how to improve resource management and data collection, and how to attract more visitors to the island using the digital space. According to the UNWTO, from 2016 to 2025, digitalization in aviation, travel and tourism will create up to $305 billion of value for the sector. Tourism, climbing further into the digital space, going beyond sun, sand, and sea.